Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video just showing how I wash my brushes and kind of like a little trick. I know people use the bar of soap and then they just use their brushes. I feel like that doesn't really clean much because I tried that. And then I tried this method and I found out that it was better. So yeah, I just want to show you guys a little tutorial on how to wash your brushes, obviously with soap and water, but just kind of something I made to help really deep cleanse it. So yeah. Okay, so y'all want to start off with a sink. And then this is a cap of a plastic container, and I got super glue or hot glue, and I made little ridges on the piece of plastic and then let it dry. And then now this will help clean our brushes better since it's getting in the harder to reach areas. And so these are my brushes. And then what I do is I just get warm water and wet that and get my regular soap, put it on there. So let's start off with the dirty brush. And I feel like this works better for beauty blenders too. So then you're just gonna scrub as much as you can, go in circular motions, go up and down. And then I kind of just top it off and leave it sitting at my sink, and then wet my other brush and then go into that soap. Until the soap kind of runs out, I just add a little bit more. So like that. Tap it off, and I just leave it soaking. Let me focus this a little more. There. And so you're just going to dip it back into your warm water and just scrub. So you're going to do this for all your brushes. And then your sink should look very dirty. And then here we have all the brushes that still have soap on them. I just leave them sinking because I feel like it absorbs more of the soap. And then we're just gonna wash it off like so. So then you're just gonna get a towel, and I just lay it on my counter, and then get all your brushes and just lay them out. And then what I do is I kind of just scrub it on the towel. to make sure to get all the water out, just like that. And then I just leave them dry in there for a little while, and then once I feel like they're dry, I'll just put them back in my yellow container, and then that's all. So I hope you guys like this video. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and yeah.